We got our local Mexican food. I got me some curry goat. I'm about to show you in a minute. This is what I got, guys. I have the goat, a little salad on the side, and some rice and beans from the shop. My husband has the chicken. It got a little messy. It fell over a little bit, but some rice and beans and the green sauce. What's the green sauce called, babe? And we got some tortillas. What's the green sauce called? That you got on there?
Salsa verde.
Salsa verde. You got that on there? We got them. So good. We got a little sauce, the red one. 2 of them extra. And then we did grab some meat so he can cook later. This is actually some chicken, already seasoned. 5 pounds. 5 pounds, yeah. $20, $3.99 a pound. I think $3.99 a pound, so $20.07. Then you got some ribs that he's gonna make another day. $4.99 a pound. That came out to be $22.65, and that was 4.54 pounds. So I got minutes to look, and we got some more tortillas. Alright, y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today your girl got some curry goat, as I showed y'all previously.
Curry.
I mean, not curry goat, goat. I don't know why I said curry, but I got some goat. Barbacoa from the Mexican store. I have some rice and beans. They put a little salad on the side. A cute salad, and I got a little drink. Where my tortillas at? You took mine too? Over here. And my tortillas, of course. So I came to eat with y'all, fam. Start off with a prayer, and then we're gonna begin. Let me see, I'm all squished. I got on this work shirt because we actually had to work today, me and my husband. But the way things worked out for the best. I ain't even want to talk about it on here, but it did. Let me start off with a prayer, then we dig in. Amen and amen again. All right. I think I should talk about it. It's seasoned too. The rice and beans, seasoned to the T. Oop.
Nice to season everything.
I think I need to I think I'll put something on my salad. You got salad too?
No.
Oh, you didn't want it? Let me eat some of this. I love all this, like, Mexican food. People be like, how you eat tongue tacos and all that stuff? Like, if you think about it, I eat pig feet and all that stuff. So, the chitlins. So, that's nothing to me. I love it. I was raised on stuff like that. It's goat good too. Every time. What the heck? It's seasoning. I thought it was a hair. I'm gonna go crazy. Every time my husband go there, they never had it for me. They never had it. So today when he went, they had it. This is a Saturday. So they must only make it on certain days. You think?
Yo, get out of here.
She thinks she's missing some. We ate the dog food day. No, that's because you used to give her food, so. Not today. We have a chill day.
Yo, this sauce was good too.
It is. It's spicy, but it's good. Good. Y'all hear the dog walking over there. And she thought she was getting something. But not. Oh, my husband usually share with the chicken stuff. Like the gristles and stuff, all that. Nothing fried. None of the extra stuff. This is good. I should have got something for my salad. A season. Let me see if I can eat it like this.
My food good as heck too.
It's good too? I just came to eat. I promise y'all. I ain't even do the full setup like I usually do. It's just a quickie video. I was hungry. I've been trying to eat at least once a day and drink water. Like, but it don't seem like it won't work for me. It's like, I'll usually eat like dinner. I work, I'll skip breakfast, lunch. I eat dinner. But then I'll be home late at night and want some noodles or something. End up eating 2 bags. Which is not the way it's supposed to be. It is good, but it got some parts that could be a little tough. I'll chew it longer. The first part, I've been through with everything. That's why I need to find those parts. That was one off the bone. It got eat around there.
All my stuff off the bone.
Oh, your chicken?
The ribs too.
Oh, you got 2 mixed.
I told you I got a mixed platter. They give me what I want.
Oh, yeah, the ribs and the chicken. I know that one costs way more getting it like that. No?
Rice it up regular.
Oh, okay. Add some beans to this. Oh. The sauce is good, but I don't want no heartburns. Some lettuce in here. I'm probably gonna make a taco. Ooh. Let me get some of this. I'll do it like this. I found the part of the meat that's soft.
We should be working right now.
Yeah, we will be working right now. And we should be. That's why I had a shirt on. But something happened. At my daughter's gym. I wasn't there. We were somewhere else then. They weren't supposed to sell candy from the gym. Who was it? Who came and said something?
Food and beverage management.
Oh, food and beverage management. They came over and said, basically telling us, we told them about this yesterday. They weren't supposed to be selling candy because I guess they sell candy there. In that area. And the gym club was trying to get extra money. So they took it upon themselves and still was selling it. So when my husband went to go work that session, the lady came and ran down on us again like we knew what was going on. We had no idea. I mean, they said something out earlier that people said something, but I guess they thought they can get away with it because it's the weekend. That lady came right back over there and said she's going to call somebody about it. The management. In the meantime, the girl that was in charge of it came back over there. I told her what's going on. She's like, are you kidding me? And she started acting up. And I mean, when she started throwing something, and she said, oh, she went over there to the lady and asked her, are you serious? Like, she was like, yeah, we told you yesterday. I don't gotta tell you what the situation was, but it was two of them. They both was, mad. No cops were called, none of that. It just was, they called the management team. So she got mad. The one that was in charge of it and shut her whole table down. I'm not going through this. Let's shut the whole fucking table down. Shut the table down. Throwing stuff. All that. So we have to get rid of the stuff. Excuse me. After we help her get rid of the stuff, she tells us, all right, go ask this such and such, what else they need you to do. So in the meantime, my husband's like, I signed up for this. I ain't signed for nothing else. I could have sat here and sold socks and bags. When you had to sell candy, y'all shut this down. So we're supposed to be there for what? What'd you say, 5 hours?
5 hours.
5 hours working.
We was there for like an hour and a half. Like that.
We was there an hour and a half before it happened. So once we told her that, she like did like made a little face like, but she was like, go talk to such and such, whatever. So my husband was like, no, we leaving. So when I said let's go talk to the lady, he came, went to go look for the lady, found her, and my husband was telling her, what was going on, and the other girl popped up and started talking to her first. So my husband told her, yeah, you see the table shut down. And we can go. She told him, I'll keep you guys busy. He said, no. I signed up for the booster tape, for that table. And basically, ain't nothing else I'm doing. That's all. That's what we signed up for. And he walked off and told me to come on.
It ain't my fault they closed it down. They ain't have to.
Yeah, they ain't had to close it down. We just still sold other stuff.
They just got mad.
Yeah, some of they gonna keep us busy. No, the hell you not. We don't get paid for that. Matter of fact, we pay y'all for our tour to attend. We don't get paid to work for y'all. It's volunteer. That's volunteer services, which we not volunteering nothing else. We volunteer when we wanted to volunteer, which was that club section. We did that. Y'all shut it down. The people want to make y'all shut it down. Y'all shut it down. So guess what? We won't be neither. I'm be spent off. We wasn't born from no fools. Well, I'll sit around and chill and go do extra stuff and work. No. Or tell your friends that they don't have to work. Go ahead, let them do that job. No, not us. Nobody know how.
Oh man, my food was good.
Where we work at now, it's nothing but stuff like that. So we hip to the game, baby. Anything you try, we already been there and did it. We ready for it. Been doing this for a long time. Not gonna use and abuse us. Mm-mm. We won't even let the people that pay us do that to us. So why would we let the people that we pay do that to us? Nope. It was over from there. And we're home. Out of 5 hours, we get an hour and a half. A volunteer services. And it's over. We don't mind helping out, but you're not going to use and abuse us either. To do what you want us to do because you closed that down. That section that we picked to volunteer our services. We're not going to let you pick nothing for us. No. You know what type of stuff you want. Not at all. Anyway, y'all, I had to come share that with y'all. I really didn't even want to talk about it. But had to speak on it, and it is what it is. We showed up. We showed up and did what we were supposed to do. It's not our fault that they start throwing stuff around. Oh, I can't take this. I can't take it. Fuck, shut the whole shit down. Everything because you were mad. So you shut the whole thing down because you weren't supposed to have this stuff on the table selling it, and you were selling it. Which, it's like we were selling it because we was doing a job, working as volunteer parents. And when a lady came up to us, we thinking it's a customer coming to, purchase something. Nah. She was running down on us, telling us, you guys are not supposed to be selling this. I told her, oh, we don't got nothing to do with that. You didn't tell us that. You ain't talk to us. She's like, I told stir around and this and that, and my husband talking to the lady, and like we said, we got up out of there. Once the girl decided to shut the table down, that means that she shut us down too. So we was out. We was gone. We had nothing else to do there. Our work was done. Done. Anyway, y'all, I had to come share that with y'all. And thanks for watching. This was good. It was good. Certain parts was on a little tough side, but it was good. It was a little difficult mark on the side. In the hood, but it's definitely good. It was good. For the most part, it was good. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you know when your girl uploads her next video. Until next time, see ya.